Hi, my name is Robert Holloway, and I am going to attempt to predict the weather using astrology. This is the first time I ever done this. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm just assuming based on this chart that I see here. Just so you know, today's date is August 20th. So, and this prediction is going to be for October 1st, give or take about 5 days, so probably like November 26, November 25 to October 5th. But the main day that I'm focusing on basically is on October 1st. And today's date is August 20th, so I have like a month and a half to go with this. From what I'm seeing, at October 1st, from 11 in the morning to probably 1 o'clock p.m., there's going to be a sudden storm that might take some life. What I'm saying is that I could see that Jupiter and Uranus combined, which is sudden and something big. A big change is what I'm seeing there. It's going to oppose Mercury, which is governed by the winds. He controls the winds, and they're in an opposition, which means there's going to be like a fight or an argument or some kind of debate between that one god, between Jupiter and Uranus. So I'm saying there's going to be a sudden gush of a storm. There's also a lot of water too, because from the looks of it, that we have Mars and Venus conjunct in Scorpio, and the Moon trines them in Cancer, as well as Uranus and Jupiter in the sign of Pisces. Now I don't see Neptune being conjunct, have any aspect, so it's a weak planet at that date. Another thing that I'm also looking into is that Pluto, which will be in Capricorn, is squared to both Mercury, Jupiter, Uranus. It would also be squared to the Sun and Saturn too. So I could see that he's debating with Saturn in his own house. It's like a debate inside Saturn's house. I don't know how that might be involved with this big storm that's going to happen in October 1st around noon. But from the looks of it, it might take some lives. It's Pluto's about death, so he's gonna take some life away, or some form of like that. This is just a beginner's observation when comparing to using astrology to predict future forecasts of the weather. I don't know where this is going to happen, but if you live around the eastern side of America, it's going to happen around 11 to 1 o'clock. And then every like in the mountains, you just subtract another hour, so it'll be like 10 to 12. And then if you go further to the far, like where California is, probably, I don't know how many hours to subtract, but I think it's 2 hours you subtract from the eastern coast. So probably like real early, like, let's see, if it's going to be 10 to 12 in the middle of America, then it's going to probably be like 9 to 11 in the morning for California and that area. But this is just an attempt to predict the weather using astrology. So tell me. I mean, I'm still going to have this video after October 1st passed, and I'm going to make another video to say whether it's true or not. So I hate to say wish me luck, but from the forecast that I just said, I hope I'm wrong, because I really don't want people to lose their lives. But Pluto he doesn't care about sympathy and stuff. He cares about transformation. So that's all I have to say about this astrology future weather forecast type of thing. I'm not a meteorologist. I'm not an astronomer. I am, however, an astrologer. Thank you for watching my video.